With more than 3.1 million vacant cybersecurity jobs worldwide, top companies such as Apple, Microsoft, Visa, Intel are on the lookout to hire the best cybersecurity professionals. So become job ready in 4 months with Edureka's cybersecurity and ethical hacking internship program designed for everybody. Yes, you can be a student, a working professional, or someone from a non-tech background and still learn about cybersecurity from basic to advanced level. Learn from top industry leaders in our 100% live interactive sessions, get hands-on experience by working on multiple industry-relevant projects, master the most trending tools and technologies such as Kali Linux, Burp Suite, Nmap, Wireshark, Metasploit, and more. And then use these tools and technologies to ethically hack into an e-commerce website as your capstone project. So, 5 projects, 5 certificates, 4 months. This internship program is what you need to fast-track your career in cybersecurity. Build an outstanding profile with our globally recognized certificates, create an amazing portfolio with our industry-grade projects, and qualify for interviews faster with our 100% placement assistance. So what are you waiting for? Join us in the free demo session and take your first step towards becoming a cybersecurity professional.